Hey you, I'm talking to you. Have you ever been in this situation where you're trying to concentrate as hard as you can in a quiet place, but then there's someone who starts making a noise, but not any kind of noise. You know, these little sounds that you just can't ignore? These sounds that get into your head and then you just can't concentrate anymore. These little sounds, you know what I'm talking about? For example, you're at the library and you're reading a book, and then there's this guy who sits next to you and starts doing, these little. Or even when you're in class doing an exam, and then, you know, it starts again. Really. Could you please be conscious of people around you? How could you not be ashamed of being annoying like this? I mean, are you not realizing how disturbing you are? Imagine if everyone was doing this. It would be such a mess. I've heard that 1 out of 5 teenagers would have attention deficit disorder or ADHD. So, in a class, for example, of 30 students, at least 6 of them would have this ADHD. So, if this guy start making it sound, at least 6 students are guaranteed to be distracted by this sound. So don't forget, you are not alone. You can't do everything you would like to do because there are people around you. So I beg of you, please be conscious of people around you and stop making those stupid sounds.